there may come a final second in the history of the universe, a precise instant, before everything stops existing. Not a gradual fading or slow collapse, but a boundary where reality itself ends. In that moment, space, time, matter, and energy would all reach their limit. The idea of such a second challenges everything we understand about existence. The universe began with the Big Bang, expanding and evolving over billions of years. Stars formed, galaxies emerged, and complex structures developed. But every process in the universe moves toward an eventual end, driven by the laws of physics. One possible path to this final second is vacuum decay. According to quantum theory, the universe may exist in a fragile, metastable state. If a lower energy state becomes available, a transition could occur instantly. This transition would begin as a tiny bubble of new reality. Expanding at the speed of light, it would spread across the universe, replacing everything in its path with a different set of physical laws. Inside this new state, atoms might not be stable. Forces could behave differently, making it impossible for matter to hold together. Everything would dissolve instantly into something unfamiliar. The most unsettling part is that this event would provide no warning. No signal can travel faster than light, meaning it would be impossible to detect before it arrives. From any observer's perspective, the universe would appear completely normal until that final second. Then, without any visible transition, everything would cease to exist as we know it. Another possibility involves the breakdown of spacetime. If the fabric of space becomes unstable, distances could lose meaning, and the structure of the universe could collapse completely. Without stable space, objects cannot exist in defined locations. The concept of position would vanish, leaving no structure behind. Time would also be affected. If spacetime collapses, time would lose continuity. Events would no longer follow one another, and cause and effect would cease to function. Black holes hint at these extreme conditions. At their centers, known as singularities, our understanding of physics breaks down completely. If such extreme conditions spread beyond isolated regions, the entire universe could reach a point where reality itself becomes unstable everywhere at once. At the quantum level, fluctuations constantly occur. If amplified, they could destabilize matter, causing unpredictable behavior at every scale. The forces that bind particles together could fail. Without these forces, matter would not simply break apart, it would cease to exist in any meaningful form. Some theories suggest that this final second could lead to something new. A completely different set of physical laws might emerge, forming a new type of universe. The last second before everything stops existing would not be an explosion or a visible collapse. It would be the final boundary of reality itself, an instant where everything that defines existence disappears, leaving behind something beyond understanding or nothing at all.